And we're back for another round of the meal prep this weekend. So we're going to show you the grocery haul first. I'm going to do some meal prep. I'm going to explain what the groceries are going to be and how each meal is going to be broke down a little bit, and then we'll cook it. So to start, I spent $28.74 at Aldi and $38.83 at Harris Teeter to pick up some extra stuff. Now, that's not included in this week's grocery haul. So another thing that wasn't included was $70 got me 58 pounds of venison. So my deer that I got earlier this year, I got it back from the processor, 70 bucks, got me 58 pounds of meat. So can't beat that $1.20 a pound for that meat. But there was some sales, that's why this is a little bit higher this week. Harris Teeter had 93.7 ground beef because I'm not going to want to eat just venison all the time. So I got some ground beef that was on sale for $2.99 a pound. So I got as much as I could. That was 8 pounds of that. So that comes into adding up. So it kind of evens out that this week might have been a $70 week. That's about 70 total. But another $10 of that was I got another big baking sheet. So down to $60 for the week. And then here's what we got. Meal one, sticking with my coffee. So I picked up another thing of creamer because I like it to taste good, not like coffee. My eggs this week, I've still got egg whites in the fridge. Picked up some more eggs, but we're going to throw spinach and mushrooms in there, and I still have a little bit of venison sausage left over. So that's meal one. Meal two, I'm trying to schedule around my training session, so I'm trying to mix things up a little bit. I'm going to go with a Greek yogurt. These were just cheap, and they taste good, which is why they're not 100% great for you, as they have some carbs. Well, it's not bad, but plain Greek yogurt is going to have a little bit less carbohydrates in it and a little bit higher fat. So these are just non-fat ones, but they're 65 cents at Aldi, so they taste good, and I grabbed those to eat. Give me 12 grams of protein there. I'm going to have a banana with each one of those. I'm going to go have a shake. So with the timing of trying to get my first 3 meals in before training, I need something lighter in the middle to get this next meal in. So my next meal is actually going to be reversing these. I'm making a somewhat venison, we'll call it a Sloppy Joe type chili, but I'm going to do that over rice. That's going to be my pre-training meal. So we got, these were cheaper today, so it's basil, garlic, oregano, so that's going to be a little bit more like Italian flavored. I'm going to throw some chili spice in it and stuff like that. Like 1 onion, some green peppers, a can of tomato paste. So this stuff's obviously very cheap. These are like $2, $1. And then got some venison. Now this is also Amanda's venison as well, so that's going to be that meal. The next meal is going to be more of this venison. I'm going to make some venison burgers with sweet potato fries. So that's going to be my post-training meal. Just going with ease here. These bags are like $2.50 a piece or something like that. So we have meal 1, meal 2. Meal 3 is the rice chili pre-training. Post-training is going to be sweet potato fries and a venison burger. And then we've got, this is that beef I got, but this is a stand-in for meals I already had prepped from last week. So last week's meals are going to be my dinner, and then nighttime, nightcap, shake with milk before bed.